Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of As the Crow Flies Hiking. Well, it's giveaway time. You know, in Forrest Gump, they said life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're gonna get. Well, today on the giveaway, you know what you're gonna get. You're gonna win, or somebody's gonna win, the Eno Moonshine hammock light or tent light. I'm here in historic Savannah with my family for the weekend, and I'm down here in actually Chippewa Square, and that is where they filmed that little scene of Forrest Gump, where they were sitting on the bench and he talks about life is like a box of chocolates. So I thought while I was here, I would film the giveaway here. I'd like to give a special thanks to Mark Goes Hiking for getting this all together. Man, I really appreciate you doing this. It was fun. It was fun to get together and do all this with all these great channels. I've gotten to know the people on the channels. And tomorrow, there'll be another giveaway. Kuehlkuest will be the January 2nd giveaway. So you can hear the bells in the background. So that'll be January 2nd. But today it's January 1st. It's a new year. It's time to do a giveaway. So here it is. I'm gonna cut here in a minute to Lost Libby, my daughter. She's gonna be doing the drawing of the giveaway and you'll see who won it. Whoever won, I hope you will contact me by email that's in the description and let me know how to get in contact with you, and I'll give you the Eno Moonlight hammock light. But also, you know that Hilltoppacks has also teamed in with everybody, and they gave away a $25 gift card, and I'll give you the gift code, whoever wins the giveaway. But also, once we got all this together, Hooks and Hammocks, the YouTube channel, and I hope you'll check them out. Chris over there at Hooks and Hammocks, he also pitched in and added another $10 to the giveaway. So not only is it $25 for the giveaway, it's an extra 10. So it's a total of $35 for the giveaway. So special thanks to them. I want to say also, before I go to the giveaway, is I hope you'll join me Sunday, because Sunday I start a new series on the Red River Gorge, and I will be exploring all the great places in the Red River Gorge, the Indian Staircase and all the archways and things. I was hiking with Jeremiah Stringer and Jason Waugh from Backpacking with Jason, and John Kelly and Mark Goes Hiking. So hope you'll join me Sunday with that. Anyway, let's go ahead and get to the giveaway. Thanks everybody for joining in. I'm sorry if you didn't win, but there can only be one winner for this. I will be doing more giveaways. I hope someday I will make it to 3,000 subscribers. If I do, then I'll be giving another giveaway then. But thank you all for joining in, being a part of the channel, commenting. You know I love your comments, and so I ask you one more comment on this channel. It's January 1st, so I ask you, please comment below and tell me what your New Year's resolution will be in the comments, because I'd like to see, because I may try to do whatever resolution you have. All right, so here it is. I'm gonna cut now to the giveaway, and Lost Libby's gonna pull out whoever won. There were so many comments, but I'm old school, so I'm doing it out of a bucket. I don't like to do all the electronic stuff. I'm an old school hiker, so we're just gonna pick a name out of the bucket. Thanks guys, I will see you next time on the next adventure of As the Crow Flies Hiking.
Hey guys, Lost Libby here, and it's time for the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. I've got the names in here of all the people that have commented, and are ready to choose a winner. Papa Bruce Hiking, you're the winner of this giveaway. Congratulations, and thank you for subscribing to As the Crow Flies Hiking.